What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're back for another video out in Orange because I'm trying to meet up with someone, trying to get some dunks off of them or trade for my dunks for his dunk, whatever. And then we're gonna hit up the Orange Nike. I did meet with the homie Johnny. We've been talking for quite a bit of time on Instagram. I've been looking for some dunks. If you follow my Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. He said he was willing to trade these bad boys right here for the dunks I needed. These are the lottery dunks, size 10.5. Are you a size 9.5? Was that for you originally?
I'm a size 8.
You're size 8? Oh, okay, you just got your hands on whatever you can, because like we all do, because you know, for trade bait and stuff. Cool. So he's gonna take the lottery dunks, and then he's gonna give me these dunks right here. These are, I'm not gonna show him because the fool I got it for, he watches the channel. So, but yeah, thanks so much for your help. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
appreciate it, bro.
I get to meet you.
Appreciate it.
I've been watching your channel too, so subscribe to his channel.
Oh, appreciate it, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. All right, we do got Nike right here, and we got a line. Holy crap. God dang. All right, 30% off. That is what I heard from some of you guys. 30% off entire purchase. All right, let's see how long it takes. All right, didn't wait more than 2-3 minutes in line. 30% off entire. Look at this freaking line, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, line keeps going. Oh man. I don't know if I want to find something dope or not. Holy crap. Look at the line. Look at the line. Oh man. Just a one time. It doesn't even matter if it's in the aisle or if it's on the clearance section. Do I still start at the clearance section? This is where you find random stuff. So let's still start at the clearance section. Starting with the size 9s. We got some Metcons here. I don't think these are collabs. Yeah, someone told me that they found these on the Nike website. So you got these bad boys right here. Go for 130. Okay. 1985 dunks right here. Go for 140. Okay. Isn't much in the size 8s. Kyrie 5 Trap 5s. Go for 80. Pegasus 39s. Go for retail. Monarchs. Go for $60. I've never seen this. White with icy bottom. Okay. Max 90, size 7.5, go for $90. Back to size 9s, Kyrie's go for 140. Got multiple of these dunks, size 9. Air Escape 97s, go for 185, dude. That's too much, even with the 30 off. So much for finding 9.5s for my family members. $110 for those. Arachis go for $70. These are all 7.5s, but nothing that anybody wants. Immortality's going for 70. In the size 10s, but there's a size 11. Vapor Max 2021 Flight. It's $210 for those. Another one down here is size 11. Yep, $2 for those. Nothing in the size 10 area. What the F? The Blazers, all black right here. Holy crap, these are only $60. 60 bucks. I don't know what makes these SBs. These are SBs, and it's suede. Suede's kind of whatever though, dude. Suede's kind of whatever. $60, $42 total. Do I have any Blazers? Do I have any Blazers? I don't know if I have any Blazers. $60, dude. $60 freaking dollars. This is my size. I've been saying, hey, I need to stop buying stuff. Man, nah, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. Dude, this is only $42. Normally, I would just buy it just because it's 40. All right, let me put it back. Let me put it back. 42 bucks. Holy crap, that's cheap. Damn, I just spent a few more minutes looking at it. I'll put it back. Damn. The suede was a little softer, maybe. All right, I need to be more selective. I was like, these ain't no Zoom Freak 4s, man. They be tricking us sometimes, dang it. Apparently size 11, Air Max 95s. Going for retail, 185. Air Force One High Premiums, 165 for those. Got more Air Max 95s. More retail, man. Not happy. Air Force One with gum on it. The gum bottoms, that is. 100 for those. Air Jordan 1, lows. To be able to get 30% off, not too shabby. Not too shabby. I'm just not a fan of what's going on here, to be honest. Pennies right here. $120, and then you get that 30 off. Not bad. The MMW4s. These are the crazy Zoom Air sneakers. Retails like $450 on these or something like that. Crazy. Got them down to $250, and then you get that 30 off. Size 12s. Damn, we saw these going for like 60 bucks at one point. Got some liftoffs, and none of you guys looking for those? No, not really. This is what I'm talking about right here. Air Max 90s, all black, $90. $90 for Air Max 90s, pretty freaking clean. $90, and then you get another 30% off, $27 off on top of that. Wow. So what is that, like $62, $63, $63. Holy crap. LeBron's being given away at $90. Get that extra 30 off. That man, that's what, 60 something dollars. Holy crap. Yeah, more Monarchs. They do got them. 55. Nobody wants them. Speaking of nobody wants these Access as well, going for 95. Size 13. So you got the Premier sprinting cleats. Sprinting cleats right here. The sprinting version of the Alphafly Next Percent does have the Zoom Air up front. I believe these have carbon fiber in it as well. Yeah, man, these are crazy, dude. $180 down to what, 100 bucks? So down to 70 after the discount. This is the Air More Tempo version. Got the air on the side. So you got some Vapor Max, size 13s go for $210. Some Stan Smiths, they got those too, $60. Size 14s, dude, not really much. I'll go for retail. 15s, oh, these are 14s. Zoom Flies go for 100 bucks. And any 15s at all? Okay, the Invincible Run Flightness go for 145. Another one of these, size 15, go for 100. Bronze, go for 100 bucks. That's a size 17 though, man. That's about it, man. All right, let's check out the aisles. See what's going on in the aisles. Cosmic Unities, all white Air Max 90s. I could have found these a while back. Dang, dude, this is the one I like with the leather top as well. $90, you do get an extra 30 off, so it was under $70. $63, something like that. Dang. Air Max 1 premiums right here. We've seen this so many pops lately. We got the Terra Escape Plus, Air Max Plus. Damn, these have always been on sale lately, man. Got some Vapor Max right here, 2021s. And look at this, $110 for these. Remember, you do get that 30 off on top of that. This one going for $90. Holy crap! I do have this one at home, I believe. $90. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how much I got mine for. Holy crap! Actually, I don't think I have the all black ones. I have the all white ones, but not the all black. Okay. Do got Blazers, KD Tray 5s, the other Tray 5.9s, PG 6s, Soldier 14s. Cheapest we've seen that, fish with 30 off. Another one of those. Witness 6s. This one facing the wrong way. That's better. Astos, Rockies. That one was all crooked. Did I get these earlier? I don't know, but these are dope, dude. I'm a fan of these. These are the leather toe box ones, all white leather, pretty freaking dope. These are fire. That fool's trying one on. That's the fool that I traded for. He doesn't know yet, but yeah. So, but yeah, he's trying one of those on. Those are pretty clean, dude. Those are pretty clean. You know what really sucks about wearing super white shoes like that? It's because your socks, if your socks aren't super white, they don't look super white. All right, I didn't even think I was gonna meet the nephews here. You get the Hydros, Air Max 2017s, Air Max 2090s, Alphafly Next Percents. Holy cow, they got these here. Oh my goodness, I forgot to show them fools this. Holy crap, $210, and then you get that extra 20-30% off. Zoom Kiger 8s, Terra Kiger 8s, the Metcon 7s. Great if you work out on these. I've never seen so many colorways, damn. $110 for these. Metcon 3s. There's a free Metcon 3, that is. Pegasus Trail 2s. The Air Moabs, that is crazy. These were so hard to find originally. Zoom Kiger, Terra Kiger 8s. Zagama Trails, never seen that. Are these Hirachi Crater? All right, so they're in line right there. Nephew and their pops in line right there. I guess we could look at some of the clothes. Let's look at some of the clothes real quick. Only 20% off clearance apparel. Not really seeing much though, to be really honest. So 40% off Jordan apparel right here. $25 down 40%. That's not bad. Clippers merch. I don't see any additional sales on these. $70. Damn, retail. Oh, it is 30% off entire purchase though. Then you get to stack these. I forgot. Holy crap. I totally forgot about that. Oh my God, I'm tripping. Yeah, remember you do get the stack coupon, so you get an extra 40 off, and then you get another 30% off on top of that. So some of this stuff you're gonna find really big savings. $20. So $20, that goes down what, 40%. So what is that? 12 bucks. 12 bucks, and then you get another 30% off on top of it. So under $10. Even with those savings, like still nothing too crazy. Derma Fit running jacket or running pullover, $70. That's 30% off bottom only. UCLA, what is this, polo going for $52. It's a small. Don't see any medium stuff, nothing worth really getting. $105 for this? Holy crap. All this stuff right here, you get an extra 20% off, and then you get that extra 30 on top. Not really finding much though. I'm gonna have to go to one more Nike outlet before the day is done. Then I'm gonna be hitting the Nike outlets tough. Nike outlets as well as lids right after. I think I'm gonna be hitting up lids big time. This double XL, $45 for this. All right, I don't really see anything. All right, I'm gonna go have some pizzas or something. I don't know, I'm gonna go eat with these fools. All right, so they got free parking, and then they have, hey, we'll extort you 50 bucks so you don't have to look for parking. So they have certain spots where you pay. That's hilarious, dude. Highway robbery, dude.